I'm Mona.
And I'm Tina.
And we're
the Lean and Clean team.
We're so glad you're here today. We're going to talk to you about how to use the new chemicals
To get your location clean.
Come on,
let's get started.
These are the tools that you need to properly clean a hot case. It is a Proclean glass cleaner, a paper towels, a silver sponge, soap and water, and a towel. The first thing you want to do to clean a hot case is you want to turn all of your lights off, all the heat, remove all food from the hot case, and then you will take your soap and your water and you will clean all the surface on the bottom that there is no particles left. You'll take your sponge, and it is to use to scrub all of the particles around the metal. When you're cleaning your glass on your hot case, you never want to go above the signage with the glass spray. You always want to go side to side. You want to go all the way over, flip your towel, your paper towel, and then go back, flip it again, go side to side all the way to your streak free. Never go in a circle on your glass. Always go side to side and flip your paper towel on each return. Now that your glass is streak free and you have no debris in the bottom, you can go ahead and turn your heat and your lights back on. This is DK standard of a hot case and what it should look like after cleaned. The back of the glass, those are mirrors. So if I am a customer and I am 4 deep in line, I can still tell exactly what's on the back row. And if you have an empty spot, it should have a lid covering it. And to me, this is like your customer's plate. If you had them come into your house, you would not serve them on a dirty plate. The cleaning of the hot case should be done at the evening times. Your food service manager will schedule times and who should be cleaning it. We don't want it to disturb customer base.
Did you know 64% of customers have walked out of a location due to the poor physical appearance and disorganization? A customer's perspective of your location indicates attention to the details and commitment to service to our customers. 9 out of 10 customers say a clean environment indicates their likelihood of even making a purchase with us.